This comes up a lot. It really does. And also beware of it if you've got a written essay. It drives English teachers to distraction when children get these confused. It does. It's one of those things that's the blue touch paper. They just go pa-dum. So it's probably a worthwhile investment making sure you get it right. You will hear me go on again and again and again with monotonous regularity until you've got it. So let's have a look. This one here is, I fancy another colour. Should we have another colour? What do you fancy? Go on then, shout out. See if this is the one, shall we? This is short for they are. So they're going away on holiday. They are going away on holiday. This is their. It belongs to them. The heir is someone who inherits something. It belongs to them. So their cat came in our cat flap and sat on the bed. Or more likely the clean washing. But then why would they go on dirty washing? Let's be honest. And then over here, this there, it's either here or it's there. Where? So you've got this here. So that gives you the placement. There, they are. Their cat, it's an heir. They inherit it. Belongs to them. Their cat. Or is it here? Is it there? Where? It'll get easier. See you soon.